In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the bracket from problem set 1 for the CAD classes. Up till now, we've started the sketch in the front plane. In this one, it'd be better to start here in the right side plane. We get most of our dimensional information here in the right side. If we extrude this notch here at the top, all we gotta do is come back and cut one section off. We should start thinking about the number of steps that we are taking. Trying to limit the number of steps, if you have to come back and edit, makes part construction much easier. So we're going to start here in the right side view for this one, and it is in inches. My document settings, I'm in inches, and we'll start with the sketch. A couple rectangles. We'll take care of this. So by selecting the right plane, rectangle tool, corner rectangle, snap 1, 2, 3 rectangles to get the basic profile, and then add some dimensions. We have an overall height of 2, an overall width of 2. And now for the steps that are cut out. From the back edge is 1.5. It is 1 inch tall. 1/2 inch down on the top. And 1 inch wide. We have an overall width of 3. Press pull. Select the body and add the length, which is 3. From here, best selection would be to select the top or this front face to cut the remaining material out. We'll choose the front face. And sketch a rectangle. Not snap to the midpoints for this one. And we have a distance from this right side edge of 1 inch. And we are going to remove this material. At this point, make sure you save it. And we'll look at the next one.